Hello, Group 3, Team Life. This is Gustavo Perdomo from Bogota, Colombia, and I want to make this short video in order to discuss with you an issue that I have been thinking about, is the idea plagiarism. Because we have also reviewed along this lecture about the plagiarism of text, of sites and other parts of papers. But what about the plagiarism of ideas? When someone stole your idea and developed a protocol or an entire study about it. With that in mind, I want to tell you that we have this awful situation in the mental health department in the hospital where I work in, and it's because after a little brainstorm with other departments, someone apparently stole one of my colleagues' ideas about doing a small survey of mental health in medicine students and develop an entire protocol and realized the entire study about it. So when my colleague bring to the faculty with bring the protocol of the study, someone told her that this study was already being taken care of, and that was an awful situation, and still there is a conflict between two departments here at the hospital about this issue. So I want to review a little bit about this unconscious plagiarism, because when we are talking about the stealing of ideas as a manner of saying it, we have to take into account that sometimes the psychology departments or the psychology areas thought that it could be something like unconscious situations. So they call it like cryptomnesia, and they define it that is to appropriate the ideas of others, being unaware of that. They divide it in two kind of situations: the recall own plagiarism, that is when you recall a person's idea as your own idea, and the other one is to generate new plagiarism, when you generate a novel solution that duplicates a previous idea. And what I find most interesting is that this kind of plagiarism increases when the subject is unaware of the source of the idea and it is focused on the idea content. So in a reciprocal way, we can think that if you want to decrease the unconscious plagiarism, you have to focus the researchers in the source of the idea, besides the idea content by itself. And I think that this is a very interesting situation to take into account, but because not only we can find the text plagiarism, but also the idea plagiarism. I think that you can find this as interesting and as I find, and I am pending of your observations and further suggestions. Thank you so much. Bye bye.